Hello everyone. This video explains our late-breaking work paper ROMEO towards the design of robot with haptic mediation for remote conflict. Existing research indicates that conflicts are more likely to arise in remote communications. Although robots with physical interaction capabilities have the potential to serve as mediators, there was little exploration into their nonverbal interaction design. Recent studies have shown that haptic stimuli have the potential to support verbal mediation during remote conflict. However, the exact impact of these haptic stimuli in real conflict situations on users remains largely unexplored. To further explore how to design and interpret these haptic mediations, we developed a robot mediator ROMEO. ROMEO is composed of 3 modules including softness adjusting, temperature adjusting, and display. We conducted an exploratory study to investigate the metaphorical implications of softness and temperature renderings in various mediation roles. This study involved 30 participants. They were first divided into 2 groups and told about ROMEO in the avatar role and the companion role. Then, the participant was asked to feel each temperature and softness variation. After that, participants were presented with the contents of 7 picture frustration study cartoons in a random order to assess different conflict scenarios. They were asked to imagine all the missing information within the cartoon and then select a haptic mediation for ROMEO. Lastly, we conducted a brief semi-structured interview to discuss their opinions on the mediation that they have experienced. The results were transcribed and analyzed using open coding, and we came up with some interesting conclusions. Firstly, temperature stimuli are related to expressing, conveying, and mediating emotions in conflicts. For instance, the avatar robot's warmth was perceived as an indicator of anger or urgency, while a cool sensation suggested calmness or seriousness. Also, in the companion group, temperature changes were primarily seen as a means to soothe their own emotions. On the other hand, softness stimuli were strongly linked to the communication of attitudes in the avatar group and supportive stances in the companion group. Moreover, different robotic mediator roles established distinct mediation relationships. Avatar mediators were expected to directly reflect the emotion of the remote user, or reflect the emotion that the local user is expected to show, to promote conflict mediation. Companion mediators were expected to provide support and encouragement. In the future, we plan to combine the conclusions of this study, based on the ability of large language models, endowing the robot with preliminary capabilities to perceive and mediate a range of conflicts through dialogue.